Exploring familiar haunts, a dive into English idioms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're delving into a fascinating English phrase, old haunts. Have you ever wondered what this term means? It's not about ghosts, but it is about places. Let's uncover the mystery together. Old haunts is an idiom that refers to places a person used to frequently visit in the past. It could be a childhood playground, a regular cafe, or even a former workplace. These places hold memories and nostalgia for the person. This phrase has a literary origin, coming from the idea that a ghost or spirit might haunt a particular location. In a more metaphorical sense, we haunt the places we visit often, leaving traces of our presence and memories, like a friendly ghost might. Let's put this phrase into action. For example, during his visit to his hometown, he decided to revisit his old haunts. It shows a desire to reconnect with the past by visiting familiar places. Why do we talk about old haunts? It's a way to express connection to our past. Visiting these places can be a deeply personal experience that evokes a sense of home or a bygone era of our lives. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the past with the phrase, old haunts. I hope this video has been enlightening and has given you a new appreciation for this poignant English idiom. Until next time, keep exploring the language, and may you find joy in revisiting your own old haunts.